What defines a hostile work environment legally? Imagine going to work every day and feeling uneasy or uncomfortable because of how others treat you. That's what a hostile work environment is all about. It's not just about having a bad day or a disagreement. It's about a pattern of behavior that makes the workplace intimidating or offensive. Legally, a hostile work environment happens when harassment or discrimination based on things like race, gender, religion, national origin, disability, age, or genetic information is so serious or frequent that it creates a toxic atmosphere. This environment must be one that a reasonable person in your position would find hostile or abusive. The key parts are that the behavior must be related to your protected characteristic. For example, if someone makes offensive comments about your race or gender, that could qualify. The conduct must be either very severe or happen often enough to interfere with your ability to do your job or change the terms of your employment. It's not enough for the behavior to be annoying or minor. It has to be serious enough to impact your work life. Also, the conduct must be unwelcome. If someone makes unwanted comments or actions that make you uncomfortable, that counts. Harassment can come from supervisors, coworkers, or even third parties like vendors or clients. Usually, a single incident isn't enough to qualify unless it's extremely serious, such as physical assault. You don't need to prove that your work performance was negatively affected, only that the environment around you was objectively hostile. This means a reasonable person would see it as abusive or intimidating. You also have to reasonably believe that enduring this environment is part of your job. Employers are legally required to have policies against harassment and to act quickly when complaints are made. If they ignore a known hostile environment, they could face legal trouble. When courts evaluate claims, they look at how often the conduct happened, how severe it was, whether it involved physical threats or humiliation, and if it unreasonably interfered with your work. Some state laws may offer extra protections beyond federal rules. Knowing these facts helps you recognize when your workplace rights are being violated. It also guides employers on what they must do to keep the work environment safe and fair for everyone.